We were in high school. I sort of knew Sarah in 9th grade, but we were more like acquaintances through mutual friends. Never even thought about her till I saw her perform at the school concert senior year. About a month later, we got to talking at some after party, and that's when we just clicked and started going out the next week. That was almost 3 years ago. Honestly, I knew the first month that I loved her, but I read somewhere that it's not healthy to say I love you until at least 3 months, so that's what I did. I just kept saying I really like you for the first 3 months, and when I could finally say the real words, it felt like pure bliss. Things got really busy when we got to college. She went to Fordham, I went to NYU. Every time we saw each other, it wasn't because we wanted to, it was just because we had to, and to say that our arguments were petty is a huge understatement. What do you want to do?
I don't know, something fun?
I'm pretty exhausted. Do you want to just chill at my place?
Why? All we do nowadays is nap and lie around.
Okay, what do you want to do?
I just thought we could do something exciting, you know? Or I wouldn't have come from uptown.
I mean, I like just seeing you. What? I haven't seen you in like a week.
Oh, Jesus, don't start that shit with me.
I mean, if you wanted to do something specifically, you could have told me ahead of time.
It is always like this with you. Why do I have to be the one to come up with everything? Why can't you take some initiative?
It's been about 2 months, I'd say now. I don't know. I miss her. I mean, I'd be lying if I said I didn't. I miss the feeling of loving someone and having them love you back. I mean, I guess it hasn't been that way for a while, but it's just a nice thing to remember. I have many fond memories of her, I really do, and I don't regret any of the time we spent together. I just regret the situation, I guess.
I'm through with love. I'll never fall again. Said I do to love. Don't ever call again. For I must have you or no one. And so I'm through with love. I've locked my heart. I'll keep my feelings there. I've stopped my heart with icy frigid air. And I mean to care for no one.
Thank you.